Yeah, very good morning. Can I get your resume?
This is my resume, sir.
Yes. Uh, Hemant, can you introduce yourself?
First of all, thanks sir for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Hemant Kumar. I was born in brought up India, Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. Now currently living in Hyderabad. Coming to my education, I have done my BTech in Sri Venkateswara Institute of Science and Technology, streaming of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and with percentage of 73. My intermediate is in PSRM Junior College with percentage of 86, and my SSC is Jilla Parishad DPH High School in Kamlapuram with percentage of 78. And my strengths are I am an energetic person, positive thinking, and self-motivated person. I am always aim to finish my work with proper procedure quickly, and my short-term goal is to get a job in repair company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a senior position with the same company. My hobbies are playing games, watching movies, traveling, cycling. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
It was very nice, Hemant, to introduce yourself. So now coming to technical, what is C Sharp? Why we need to go for it?
C Sharp, by using C Sharp, introduced Microsoft, and by using C Sharp, we can develop here many applications, and
Yeah. Now, what are the different types of data we have?
data types are two types: value data types, reference data types. Value types are five types: integer data types, data types, floating data types, and boolean data types, general data types. And integer data types are we cannot store decimal values. We can store only numbers. And integer data types are two types: signed data types, signed and unsigned. And signed we can store both positive and negative. Unsigned means we can store only positive values. And character data types is we can store the single characters. And floating data types are three types. Floating data types is we can store the decimal values and also numbers also. And floating data types are three types: and float, double, decimal. Float size is 2 bytes, and double is 4 bytes, decimal is 8 bytes.
Float 4.
Yes, and Boolean data type is depends on condition. There are two types: true and false. True is indicates 1, false indicates 0. And
Now, what are condition? What are operator? What are the different types of operators we have?
operator is to do the between the two to perform the between two operands. And operators there are 7: arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and conditional terminal operators, increment decrement operators. And arithmetic operators is used to perform a arithmetic operators used to perform arithmetic operands. Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. And relational operator means we can to find out the relation between two opponents. And bitwise operators is used to find the bits. And increment decrement operators there are two types. Increment decrement operators is to increase by value 1, and there are two types: pre-increment and post-increment. And pre-increment is used to increase by value by 1, and decrement is also to increase 1 value. And decrement is also two types: pre-decrement, post-decrement. Pre-decrement is used to decrease by 1 value, and post-decrement is after value by decrease 1 value. And logical operators are logical and logical or logical not. Bitwise operators are and or not.
Yeah.
And
So, what are conditional statements?
condition statements are if, else, else if. If statement when you use means the condition is true, we can use if statements. Once if statement is false, we can use else statements. Sometimes we can use based on the variables inputs, we can use else if based on the condition. We can write on examples.
Okay. Now, no. No. Now, what is it for loop? When we will go for it?
For loop we used to do by using iterations. For range of we can use for range of values, and for loop is a when condition is false, then it will stop the for loop, and for loop is there is not an increment. Cannot use increment values, and while loop is used to it is based on condition. There is we can use increment value.
Yes. Now, what is the difference between while and do while?
While and do while.
Okay. Now, as you said, what is the difference between under integral data type short and int?
Integral data types are three types: short, int, long. Short means 2 bytes. Its size is 2 bytes, and int means 4 bytes. Its size, and long is 8 bytes. Its size.
Very good. So it was nice talking to Hemant. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.